Hey guys, what's going on? John here. I hope everybody's enjoying their Saturday. I just want to make a quick little video. I'm going to check my oil catch can from Speedlogics. This will be the first time I've checked the oil in the catch can since I installed it. It's been about 1,000 miles, not exact, maybe closer to 1,100 miles or so. I meant to do this at 500, but stuff happens and I forgot. So, been about 1,000 miles. I figured, why not show you guys where it's at, and it'll be interesting for me to see how much oil it's collected since I first put it on in the first 1,000 miles. So, let's go ahead and check it. See if I can get that loose. Alright, bear with me here. It's kind of in an awkward position, but I got it loose, so. Alright guys, there it is. It's not a whole lot. It's probably not even a ½ inch full. So, looks pretty nasty though. I am going to change the oil here in the next couple weeks or so. Alright, well, I'm going to get her drained and I'm going to put her back on. As you can see, it's probably up about halfway up to where the grip is right there. If that. It's not even that really, so. Looks like it's doing its job. I'm collecting it. But I'm glad it's not like almost full or anything. That would seem like that would be a lot of oil. So, it's good to know. I think it was a good investment. Obviously these Hemis need it. So if you don't have an oil catch can and you don't know that you need one at this point, I mean, anybody that has a Hemi that watches YouTube probably knows that they need one by now. But anyway guys, I hope you liked the video. Please give me a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.